easy to make a REDnote account. What's up guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial Sub. And for today's tutorial, I will teach you how to make a REDnote account this 2025. It's super easy. But before we start, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. First, install the REDnote app on your Play Store. In my case, in the Google Play Store. After you install it, open it. Then click agree. Next, click allow for notifications. There are many login options here. You can pick one, using phone number, Google, or Facebook. Then I'll try logging in using my phone number. I will first check if it's available for the phone number in the Philippines, +63. So since I didn't found one, I'm gonna use my Google account to log in the REDnote app. Next, click the Google logo. Before that, read and agree their TNC, then type agree and continue. Now pick your Google account that you want to sign in. Then click the continuous. Then wait for a little second while they signing up. Now pick your gender and your age. Now tap next. Now select your interest, at least 4 interests. There are many topics that you might be interested in. Just pick a minimum of 4. Then allow to access your contacts. Then tap next. You may follow the content creator suggested on that, or you can just tap next. And there you have it. We have successfully made a REDnote account, and it's just easy. And in the next video, I will teach you how to change language in the REDnote app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click the like, share, and subscribe, and watch the next video. Thank you.